Deciding to go to therapy is a huge step, but finding the right therapist can be daunting. The therapeutic relationship is the most important factor in your success. First, consider what type of therapy you might need. CBT is great for anxiety, while EMDR is often used for trauma. Do some research on different modalities to see what resonates with you. Next, check your insurance network or look for sliding scale options. Websites like Psychology Today have great directories to filter by specialty. Once you find a few candidates, reach out for a consultation call. Treat this call like an interview. You are hiring them. Ask about their experience with your specific issues. Ask what a typical session with them looks like. Pay attention to how you feel talking to them. Do you feel heard? Watch out for red flags like a therapist who talks too much about themselves or a therapist who guarantees a quick fix. Healing takes time. It is completely okay to switch therapists if it's not working out. You don't owe them your loyalty if you aren't making progress. Trust your gut feeling about whether they are a good fit. Finding the right match takes patience and persistence. But once you find them, it can be incredibly transformative. Don't give up on your search for the right support.